Hey everybody, in this video we're going to do a tutorial here on the NE66 Lishi. Somebody in one of the comments, one of my other videos, asked me about this Lishi, and it's one I didn't have, so I got it, and I'll show you how it works here. So it's the NE66, it's a two-track system here. You got a A and a B track. You can see the top is different, the top cuts here are different than the bottom, so it's a two-track. And the way the Lishi actually works here is, go ahead and open it up. I think it's kind of stiff here, but anyway. Got our markings on it. See, we have got B and then we have A. So what you have here is, you'll have like 1A and then you'll have 1B. Like the numbers up here are going to be the B track, down here is the A track, but when it actually picks, which we'll see in a second, you'll have 1A, 1B, and then on the other side you'll have 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and you'll have 4A, 4B. So that's how you'll actually read it when you actually pick and decode the lock. So let me switch tripods here, and we'll show you actually picking it and then decoding it. Okay, and this lock here is from a Volvo. I think it's a 06 or 07 S60. This is the key. I got lucky at the junkyard and actually found the key. And so we'll show you here actually picking and then decoding it. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the Lishi all the way in. And we'll just look for our wafers here. So make sure we got all the way in the lock. There we go. Okay, and I got spring going up on the first two here, so we'll just start that. We're going to apply kind of heaviest tension here, and so just look for binders. Okay, so just click on, that's going to be 1A. Okay, 1B is springy, so leave it alone. Okay, that's going to be 2A, 2B, which are both springy. All right, 3A is binding. Click on that. Okay, 3B is springy, so leave it alone. Okay, 4A springy. 4B is actually binding. Okay, click on that. And I'm just going to keep going through here, just looking for binders until we get it actually picked. Picking is pretty straightforward. Like, pretty much any other Lishi. If it springs, leave it alone. If it binds, pick it. These really aren't too hard to pick here. Okay, so now that it's actually picked, we'll be able to actually decode it here. And I'm going to do this on Instacode, so you'll be able to see how I'm entering the numbers in. Now I read it. So we're going to have 1A being a 3, then we'll go read 1B, which is a 2. 2A is going to be a 2. 2B is a 4. 3A is a 3. 3B is a 2. Again, 4A is going to be a 1. And 4B is going to be a 2. Run that code. We'll see we have a valid code here of 1V02276 here, so we know that there's a valid decode. And so that's pretty much how this Lishi works here. It can be a little bit confusing. Hopefully that clears it up. And I've got one more lock without a key here, so I'll be picking that. We'll make a key to it here, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be 1 or 2 videos after this one. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. My email address is there too. You can always drop me an email. And like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And I guess that's all we got on this particular Lishi for now. I'll talk to everybody later.